Oh, here we go. I'm back. Just ran to Home Depot. My house. Storage. Got everything. I have to give me a thin one of those. Boats. I'm gonna boat the boats. That's the idea. It's quarter inch. It's either quarter inch or 5/16. That's how they come in. Like this side is 5/16. Smokehouse. Alright. I'm gonna need some quarter inch nuts. But when you put the toilet on, you want to bolt these down. So when you start screwing, after you put the toilet on, these don't spin on you. I like to call it boat the boats. You want to boat the boats? Did you boat the boats? Like all them damn boats. Mirror time. Washer, nut, see, almost messed up the threads with the pliers, but not quite. It's just hard to screw on. Not because it's stripped or cocked, like you may think. Because I have the pliers squeezing on the threads. I'm going to get a drill in. You ain't messing with that, man. Oh, I got all this stuff on the. You know what? It really doesn't spin it anyway. I gotta move when I was putting this on. Turn both inside down. Whole point of bolting it so it won't spin. This thing ain't moving. Alright. Oh, we got 3 minutes. That's my 9. Totally gotta keep on if it ain't. I used to cut everything with this. You can cut metal with this, but it ain't for metal. It's for masonry, bricks, and tile and whatnot. This is for metal. It's cut like butter. this here bag is to keep the smell out. That is waste. Whenever you have waste, you will have gas. Like your stomach, all that waste in your stomach, so you start. Kind of temporary. Let's see. The flange is kind of high on the floor now, just a little bit. Like that. Even though it's under the toilet. I want it clean, yeah. Moment of truth. That's about it. That's the toilet flange repair. Bolt this down. Let me know what you think. Hope you learned something. Drop a comment, subscribe, like, share, all the good stuff. And I always forget to say. Let me see if I got a 1/4" bolt somewhere. I know I had one at Home Depot. Alright folks, then bolt this on. 3 holes line up. Those 3 holes. Toilet supply line, which they was out of the 9" at Home Depot. Connect to that with the water on. And flush it, check for leaks. When it leaks, it's only gonna leak from 2 spots. Down here, around toilet flange, or toilet bolt holes on the other toilets where the bolt holes right here. This one don't. Wait, is that bolt hole? We got holes in? Yeah, you got holes. It's possible it could leak there, but it won't because it's colder than innovative with that. But yeah. All right, out. Fix that drywall, but I cut it already. Oh, here we go. Welcome back to Bradley PTV. We're here to learn everything. Today we're gonna learn how to fix a broken toilet flange. Now, in the previous video, you can go check out me fixing this toilet that Cola made. That I had to shave down. Find out why. And what video that's gonna be. The Cola video. Right? Cola toilet video. So here, I'll let you know closer. You see how it's a screw, a bolt screw on this side. It's supposed to be one on this side, but it's broke. That's cast iron. So, On my first attempt, I don't want to go take out the cast iron and have to come back with lead and all that. It's supposed to be like a quick fix, right? Now if it was wood or concrete or something that's easy to drill into, bolt it down. It's just cast iron. So got me some titanium bits and some self-tapping drilling screws. Now, reason for this, you need something for the bolts to attach to. So usually this is how it works. You can slide it in a big spot, get it in here. It really stops either way, but you're supposed to turn it like that. That's what keeps it tight. That's how you bolt it down to the floor. Like I said, this side has one. Let's see if I can get it out. Let me see. I'll put some new bolts in there. That might stay. Cause it's in there good. Putting caps on it anyway. So, screwdriver. Mess up the threads doing all that. I gotta take it out now. Maybe I should do this before I start the video, huh? Nonetheless, if I can use it, I'm gonna use it. If I gotta take it out, I'm gonna have to take it out. And for now, it stays as a 1/4 inch. Two, three, four. Let's go titanium. You know, titanium for impact. I don't got my impact. Making all that noise. My hammer drill though. Hammer time. Is that a hole already for me? Saved by the bill, what's these holes right here? Let me find out. Oh shit. It's a big hole. Damn it. Screws. Oh shit, Stanley, what you gonna do? I'm gonna try these other holes right quick. That ain't gonna work. It's cast iron. Oh shit, I'm gonna have a change order. Maybe I should do that before the towel. The towel. I'm gonna have to put a I'm gonna put a bolt, nut bolt on this one and that one. fly, baby. This is my nothing boat right here. Just check me out. Let me get y'all lower. What we got? We got 4 minutes now. It's my 15-minute joint. Is that this right? Shit. Keep number 15. All right. Boom. Improvise, baby. I ain't gonna be able to drill this other one. Is that gonna be enough to hold my toilet down? That's the question. Are these gonna fit? That's the question. Okay. We got something. Oh shit. Ooh, I need that. Alright. So I can put the toilet on. I'm gonna cut them. Got one no drilling through that cast now. I got lucky with these. Tight nose down. You hear it squeezing the metal. I'm gonna put a lot of tension on it so it can come loose. It's on there. So this side is still good. It was this side. Like I said, cut these down. Need another bolt for here. Get that thing on now. Be back. Oh, here we go. Found the 1/4 inch bolt. So I got that bolted down. Step on it. Stand on it. Shake it. Make sure it don't rock. Alright. And then put my cap on. Too tall. Cut that down.